Well, I never thought at my time of life I'd be using babies' nappies.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
What are we using them for? Well, we had that bit of an oil leak on the engine, and that resulted in a little bit of oil getting deposited in the engine bilge, and it's in a place you just can't get at. It's totally enclosed by the engine itself. So we're going to try and squeeze some nappies in and see if we can soak some of it up. And it's down underneath there. It's not a lot. I've tried a pump without any success. It's too thick to draw. So yeah, we'll try and get that soaked up. So put pad side in. I'll try and tuck it in with me grabbers if possible. Put a few in. And we'll leave them to soak for a little bit. The yachts at the yacht club are stacking up ready for lift out for the winter. Well, there's the crane. They'll be working to beat the tide. They're okay at the moment. I think the tide is still rising. Starting to fish them out, and yes, it's rather messy. first lot out. I'll put some more in and see how we go. It's one of them messy jobs. You'll not see down there from here, but I've got one really mucky, oily bag. Well, it's November the 8th. We're going off to a firework display. It's about 20 to 5 in the evening. We're locking out at sorry, I'm just watching a boat dancing around. So we'll lock out around about 17:30, head down to Seaton Carew. It's only a few miles down the couple of miles down to the beach. We'll stand off the beach and watch the firework display and then head back up here. It should be a perfect night to go view the fireworks. There's no moon. It's been cloudy all day, a little overcast, definitely dark now. First thing is to move around to find the lock.
Carl, Mark, you can go a little bit further. You've got 2 of the motorboats to get in behind you.
This was a small event set up with the berth holders as a cruising company. Some people have never ventured out in the dark before, others have more experience. In total there was 9 boats who locked out, went out over 3 chambers. We shared the lock with 2 others.
Go ahead, over. Yeah, when Dave moves up, there should be enough room for you to get in behind David Grace. Over.
Of him.
We held station just offshore from Seaton Carew. It was fantastic to see the fireworks and all the reflections in the water. I do have another video out showing all 17 minutes of the display. Sea state, it wasn't bad. We had about half a metre of swell running. Just made it a little bit tricky trying to hold on station and not be broadside on. Once the display had finished, it was back out into the pitch darkness.
Then it was back to the lock, back in, go back to berth.